Okay guys, so a few years ago I did a review on these little IKEA portable induction cooktops. It's been going really well. As you can see, I've used this one quite a lot, and this one's pretty much brand new. I need to maybe swap them around, rotate them, get them to wear evenly. But anyway, these things used to slide around because I made like a melamine board, and I made a little enclosure. Got the electrician to cut off the top elements, so it's all safe. Like they won't come on, and so everything's nice and safe. Just made this out of some chipboard, as you can see. So it just goes over. It just had like the normal electric hobs, which are really ugly and inefficient. So this is a much better way of cooking. And so I've been sliding around. I've tried different things, and I've come up with a really good idea, and it involves just a cola bottle. So you just use the cap off a cola bottle, just take it off, and it's amazingly they actually fit over the little feet of the IKEA cooker. Whoops, there we go. And let's try this one here. It fits nicely over this. Little bit of wiggle, but by the time you put all four on each foot, you know, they've got little screws in these. And the good thing about the screws is you can sort of lift them up and down and make it level, the whole thing level. So let's have a look. There we go. So it fits in nicely now. Look at that, it's nice and solid. That's going nowhere. Like there is no actual much movement there at all. So that works quite well. So I've got my level. I'll show you now. That looks pretty level, but I can get a little bit better. So I need to lift it up either from the back or put the front down. I'm sort of feeling the lip here. There's a little bit of a lip, so I'm going to put this one down a little bit. So let's get this out of the way. Oops, I might turn these off. And I'll put the screw down a little bit more in this one. Oh, I think that's as far as it goes, so I might lift the back up a little bit. Oh, let's do a little bit on there. Let's put it back on. Fits in nicely. And that probably has made it fairly level now. Is it getting there? It's getting there. Probably needs a little bit more on the back, but you get the idea. You can adjust the screws. But on this side here, how's that looking? Same thing. Let's do it properly. Let's adjust the screws at the back. Put it up like so. Move these up a little bit. So turn them anti-clockwise. The second one. I'll get this working. Put him back in the slot. Fits nicely. Just beautiful, fits in there. Let's see if that's making a little bit of a difference. Probably need to do it a little bit more than that. Let's do it. Let's do that. A little bit more. Ooh, he wants to fall on me. We'll be right. A little bit more. That should be enough, surely. But you get the idea. That's looking a little bit better there. So I won't do any more. I think you get the idea. You can fiddle around with it and make it all level. And so that's a secondary benefit of using little bottle tops. Just use a little cola or soda, they call them in the US. We call them soft drink bottle tops. And hopefully they've got the same opening, and it's pretty standard worldwide, I'd say. So I think you're going to do well. I think it's going to work. So yeah, that's really nice and solid now. I'm actually moving the unit more than the actual induction cooktop. So yeah, it's moving the whole board. So there we go, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Cheers.